Another router plane joins the growing clan. Is it any good? Keep watching and let's find out. I got a Luban small hand router plane as a Christmas gift. I needed a small hand router to do some fine cabinet joinery. I had heard good things about Luban products, so I was pretty hopeful. First impressions straight from the box are that it is really well made. The casting and machining are excellent, and the 3 cutters look well finished off. So far, so good. It comes with a 6mm V cutter, a 2.5mm V cutter, and a 2.5mm straight cutter. I plan to use the small cutters to clean up some narrow dados in boxes that I'm making. The blades are made from T10 steel, which is a tungsten base. The sword makers say T10 is incredibly hard and durable, but can also be a challenge to sharpen due to that hardness. Add to this how small these cutters are, and future sharpening will be interesting. A single set screw makes blade adjustment and changeover relatively easy. There is no fine adjustment, but I don't think this will be a limitation. Most small router planes don't have one, but if you needed to, a drill depth stop could be fitted to the blade. To adjust the blade, I just rock it back slightly on a flat surface to expose as much blade as I need, and then tighten back down the set screw. Okay, so let's see how it performs straight out of the box on a scrap of mountain ash, a timber that isn't overly friendly to planing. Surprisingly, the little router plane cuts quite well without any sharpening, honing or other preparation. I'm really impressed by the results. Sure, it could do with a little touch up on the blades for fine joinery, but for simple dado cleanups, this is ready to go as it is. So to answer my original question, yes, it is a nice piece of kit that is really quite well made and reasonably affordable. Get one and see what you think. Thanks for watching.